Hello guys, flash.fnx. Today we're going to discuss about Live Token. I am sure you guys have already heard about this token. Jumping onto their website, welcome to the Live Token. Live Token is a charity-oriented token on the BSC chain. Their goal is to aid suicide prevention charities all over the world to help save lives. They have already raised $500,000 for suicide prevention. Moving on to their tokenomics, 5% is distributed to all holders, 3% is donated to suicide prevention charities weekly, 1% fee is put aside for marketing and promotion, and 1% is burnt. Hopping onto their roadmap, we can see that it was already created. They have all social media, so Telegram, Discord, Twitter. The website is live. Pancake swap listing LP locked. First quarter beginning of marketing, first 1000 donation to charity, CoinGecko on CoinMarketCap listing, influencer marketing, first live AMA on Twitch, white paper released, $500 community contest, and they hit 1000 holders. Right now into the second quarter, more influencer marketing, weekly AMA is scheduled on Twitch every Saturday. First exchange listing, Blockfolio, Nomics, bigger community donations, 10,000 holders, direct donation wallet. Quarter 3, donation over $100,000, NFT marketplace merchandise, expanded team 50%, partnerships, 50,000 holders, video marketing campaign, staking functionality. And into the last quarter, the fourth, donate over $1 million, further exchange listing, create their own suicide hotline, and set up Live Token office. This token has a few special features, so all liquidity was locked within the first hour of launch by Cryptex for 6 months. This will be extended. To see proof, please click the lock icon above. So just by clicking here, we can see that the proof it has been locked till 29th of October. So we've been fully audited and we've passed a perfect score on every test. Again, click on that. It will bring the audit over here. We can see that they have passed everything over here. You guys can check it all out. And into the last one, we believe that trust is the most crucial part of every project, and they do everything as transparent as possible to increase the trust of the investors. By hosting live AMA on Twitch every Saturday, we can see over here all the donations, all the clips that were on Twitch. So $1,000 here, $1,000 here, and everything else. On the BSC scam, we can see that they're currently sitting at 7,327 addresses. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group, as well as following them on Twitter, where they post updates and everything that's been going on with the token. It has already been listed on CoinGecko. Let me show you guys on how to buy a live token. So firstly, you need Metamask or Trust wallet with BNB in it. Make sure the slippage tolerance is on 11% or more. I've put it on 12% just to make sure. So select the amount, click on swap, confirm the swap. Metamask will give you a notification, click on confirm, and you're ready to go. So this token has a purpose, so do your own research before investing, but if you do, go ahead. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to notifications, and I'll catch you guys into the next one.